Hi guys, let us come to discuss about some of the anti-terror laws which presently exist in India. Now, India is a very large country. It obviously is one of the oldest, one of the strongest and the largest democracies. And over a period of time, after the British ruled India for a long period, most of the police matters in India are primarily governed by the Indian Police Act of 1861. But however, with the coming of the Constitution in 1951 and Article 19, which added reasonable restrictions for free speech, in 1967, India passed a law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. This law was enacted to provide for more effective prevention of certain unlawful activities of individuals and associations and for matters connected with it. It empowered appropriate authorities, that's what it meant, it's basically police or state security, to declare any association unlawful if it is carrying out unlawful activities. The law was comprehensively amended to deal with, with terrorist activities. UAPA, as it is commonly called, has been amended numerous times in 2004, 2008, 2013, 2019. It has been amended. And, some of the key important provisions of the UAPA Act is it applies for both Indian and foreign nationals, and it is even applicable for offences committed outside India. And charge sheet must be filed in maximum 180 days after the arrest, and the investigation has to be completed within 90 days. And if not, the accused is eligible for default bail. A special code of the UAPA conducts the trials. Now, in the 2019 amendment, Union government has been given the rights under UAPA to designate any organization or individual as a terrorist if they commit or participate acts of terrorism, if they have preparations for terrorism, if they promote terrorism, or otherwise are themselves directly involved in terrorism. Now, please understand at this stage, the National Investigation Agency is the primary investigating agency for terrorist activities under the provisions of the Act, and particularly it is handled by officers of the rank of DSP, ACP, or above. Additionally, it empowers the officers of NIA of the rank of inspector of above to investigate cases if needed. And the amendment of 2019 mainly lists International Convention for Suppression of Acts of Nuclear Terrorism as well, 2005. So UAPA, as of today, remains one of the most comprehensive anti-terrorism acts and an act which deals primarily with internal security. Now, look, there have been questions about how it violates Article 19, but it's just that balance of between Article 19 free speech and association to the ability where the free association of speech is not hindering the national security of India. Okay, what do you think? Should we really have UAPA or should we really end it? Please give your comments in the comment box. Like, share, and subscribe this video, guys. I'll come back with more information sooner or later. Thank you. Bye bye.